Alright, what's up, guys?
Your handlebars are broken.
Yeah. What do you mean? It's not him, bud. But fuck.
Well, Hopper.
But fuck. I think the guy left though. He might have had that red car. I don't know. Because it was dark though. No, that's the girl. Never mind. Nigga. Going down for real. Oh, did I show you that over there if you ride the scooter it goes down a little bit?
Yeah.
Go down a little bit. I'm actually gonna zoom my jacket. Should have brought a freaking hoodie or something. Already 1 minute into the video and I'm already freaking stopping. What the hell? Nigga, real quick. Struggle, and bye, bitch. Bye, nigga. That's basically what he's saying, obviously. Or bye, nigga, bitch. Oh, look at this female.
Then you're part of it.
It's a black nigga square in the fucking middle of the damn thing. I'm still cold as fuck and I got pants on and a fucking jacket. All bad window.
Okay.
Alright, thank gosh. I'd have been on my ass. Oh, smoking some ass. I be smoking some pussy. You smoke pussy.
It's kind of hard to. You'll be getting a lot of freaking squirt in your mouth. The fuck?
No, you be pussy. Spank that pussy, No, bang that pussy. Pussy better not stink, though. I just made that up, I think. Hopefully. Man, why she left the damn car on? Is she stupid or something? Oh, I don't know if I show you got this nigga's car, but look, let's go. I don't think I did though. But they have like, it's not really, it could be better, but I mean, it looks good though. The paint job looks good. What the fuck? My hood came off 3 freaking times. Yeah, it's Katie and CD.
Is that car right there?
Yeah, nigga, that's a fucking Prius, dude. It's not that one, it's not that one. It's right here on the corner. You turned left. It's this car right here.
Oh, you're talking about the car that I showed you?
It has a nice blue paint job. Hey, we can come up here if we want to go on the sidewalk.
Oh, this is where you were at the scooter?
Look.
The scooter with the food truck?
No, it's over there by that other guy's house that looks like my It goes down. Going down. Pussy.
Man, it just needs to get a new paint job on the back and all that.
Yeah, the back.
The front looks real.
And it just needs to get like redone.
Yeah. Oh, wall hopping.
But yeah, we supposed to pass by some people. A motherfucker. Alright, fuck this shit on now. Fuck this shit on now. Hey, look at this bike though. We should have stayed on the fucking sidewalk.
That bike right there?
Yeah, look, this is the other mongoose thing. They got a mongoose like that with the big tires. There might be a mongoose right there. Fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
That must be an off-road one.
But the pink one though.
Yeah, the pink one, that's bright. That's like neon pink, neon green. Dude, I like that. I like the bike with the big giant tires though. But is it heavier? Oh wait, no. You got pedals in the back, in the front. Why do you need? Is that,
Hey, look, we can go this way.
Oh no, those are pedals in the front. Wait, do you know if it's smart to drive in the house? Big giant tire ones?
I never tried, really.
What?
I never tried.
I bet it's really hard though.
Might be.
Or it could be like extremely hard, or it could be like really.
Look, I fucked that up. So bad. Yeah. What? Got one room. That's a pretty nice room, baby.
Are you gonna go to that thing?
One time I almost hit home. I was riding my scooter, dude. If I wouldn't have fucking looked up, I would have fucking been knocked the fuck out, I swear. Oh my, like I almost ran to the fucking ground on the truck. Like, dude. Like, I looked up and then I went like straight down because I knew I was gonna hit it. I was like, fuck, and then I just went down.
Oh yeah, look at that hole that we made. Fire that top on the motherfucker. Yeah, we were in a mission to where we had to be quiet when riding bikes. Hey.
Hey, it's a perfect cup. We can put some stuff in here. Let me clean it up. Oh, am I still videoing? Yep. Alright, well look, we over here. Oh shit.
Oh shite.
But yeah, we over here.
No, I'll take it off and I'll record.
I think it might be better if I like turn it around and do it.
No, wait. Well, what would you want?